Suzuki just dropped a bombshell that nobody saw coming. The 2026 RMZ 1050 takes the legendary motocross nameplate and unleashes it on the street with over a liter of displacement and an attitude that demands attention. Welcome to Next Gen Reviews, where today we're exploring Suzuki's boldest bike in years, a machine that's rewriting the rules of what an RMZ can be. Design. The RMZ 1050 wears its dirt bike DNA proudly. Sharp, aggressive lines dominate the profile, with a high-mounted exhaust that screams performance. The muscular fuel tank flows into a race-inspired seat, while the angular LED headlight gives it an unmistakable street presence. Suzuki offers bold color schemes, including the iconic championship yellow and a sleek matte black option. The lightweight trellis frame is fully exposed, showcasing the engineering beneath the skin. Premium Showa suspension components and lightweight aluminum wheels complete the purposeful aesthetic. Performance. The heart of the RMZ 1050 is an all-new 1050cc parallel twin, delivering an explosive 140 horsepower. This power plant pulls hard from low revs and screams to redline with an intoxicating growl. The quick revving character makes it incredibly responsive, while the 6-speed gearbox with a slipper clutch ensures smooth, confident downshifts. Weighing in at just 410 pounds wet, the power-to-weight ratio is seriously impressive. Whether attacking tight corners or blasting down straightaways, this Suzuki delivers adrenaline in abundance. Features and technology. Suzuki packed the RMZ 1050 with cutting-edge tech. 3 riding modes adjust throttle response and power delivery for different conditions. Cornering ABS and traction control provide safety without intrusion. The full-color TFT display offers excellent visibility and includes Bluetooth connectivity for calls and music. Quick shifter capability, adjustable suspension, and smartphone integration via the Suzuki app make this a thoroughly modern machine. Conclusion. The 2026 RMZ 1050 is a thrilling statement that proves Suzuki still knows how to build exciting motorcycles. Are you ready to take the RMZ legacy to the streets? Let us know in the comments what you think about this radical new direction. If this review got you pumped, hit that like button, share it with your riding crew, and subscribe to Next Gen Reviews for comprehensive motorcycle coverage. Don't forget to enable notifications so you catch every review. Thanks for watching.